Ben James here. Welcome back with another video. And I want to talk to you a little bit about today about finding an affiliate marketing mentoring program, how important it is, and how strategic it is into your online business, and how much it will fast track you to make the money that you want to make online, whether that's 5 to 10 to 20,000 or more a month. You need to find a mentor. So welcome to this video, and I just want to start by saying I was online for quite some years. It would have been at least about 9 or 8 years, and I did a lot of things myself. I bought into some programs. I bought this and bought that, and click button and push button programs and MLM programs, and you name it. And I got some results here and there. I had a lot of failures, a lot of learning curves. But yeah, I got to a stage where eventually that it wasn't getting the results. And I was wondering, why am I not getting the results that I see others are getting out there, especially the gurus of the affiliate marketing world. And after one thing after another, after just seeking out and listening and doing my due diligence online, I finally come across a mentor that I can resonate with and follow, and more importantly, is where I want to be. So they're the three things. When you're finding an online mentor, where they want to be in terms of what are they earning online, do you resonate with them? Do you resonate with the strategies they're using and with the way they train and the way they coach you? And can you follow instruction? So you need to find someone that you're going to have that respect for and follow instruction. So if you're looking for an affiliate marketing mentoring program, this is just a short little review I'm going to do of the one that I found. I've been with Zach at the moment for around about 6 months. And I just want to let you know that this is the best online move I could have done. And why I didn't do this years ago is beyond me. And maybe a while ago I wasn't in the mindset to be able to allow someone to come in and talk me through how to build a successful online business. Maybe I wouldn't have listened. But I'm here today to say you need a mentor. If you really want to make a consistent income online and you want to get to those goals that you want to achieve in your online business, whether that's a small or a large goal, or have passive income coming in from time and time and time again, you need to find someone that's doing that and model them, learn off them, learn as much as you can off them. And my theory is, even if I don't get to 7 figures, what if I get to 6 figures? What if I don't achieve as much as my mentor? It doesn't matter, because if they're earning 6, 7 figures a year, I might be able to earn 4 or 500,000 a year. So it's just one of those things that you have to find someone that resonates with. Okay, so what I found here is it's called The Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks by Zach Crawford. This is inside the training course of what you get. It's just loaded with valuable content all the way through, guys. Zach over delivers, and there are chapters and sections to the training, which take you through a sequential process of allowing you to start developing a marketing plan. Start looking at what's your first million look like online. Chapter 2, how to make money online. And the successful versus unsuccessful people talk about, what is it that makes people successful and what is it makes people unsuccessful. And that goes right through that. And that's just a whole valuable in itself. That chapter 1 is gold. How to make money online, the resources you need, choose your niche, the profitable channels you need to pick, how to pick profitable products, create your own assets, building your magnetic conversion engine. You need a sales funnel, guys. If you're online, you need a sales funnel, whether you like it or not. You can't just put a product up there and expect to make a living off that product and sell it time and time again without some sort of introductory sales funnel that educates people, that provides value to people. He talks all about that value. He goes right through the sales funnel, right through the emailing and helping you set up your email autoresponder. He actually provides a setup page for you already done for you, a complete setup sales funnel. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so there's me, Ben James, there, and I'm partnering with Zach because I've joined him with his program. But what I'm doing is I'm I'm piggybacking off Zach. So I promote this through various ways that Zach teaches online, and what it does is that people will go into here and put their details in, and Zach provides 100% free training, so he does a few days of training for the people and shows them how the system works, goes into some nitty gritty details and gives out some really valuable tips, and you get this exact same funnel. And then when people opt in, they go to your autoresponder, and then Zach sets up your autoresponder so it's actually profitable on the end. And then you're able to sell his mentoring program or whatever other products on the back end. It depends, totally depends on you. You don't have to promote Zach's mentorship, but you can if you want, and then you can promote other products on the other side of that as well. So very well. Just this in itself, getting this whole funnel done, which goes to a thank you page, then goes to lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and 4 pages of Zach training people for you. So get access to one of the profitable businesses. 90% of the hard work is done for you because you're piggybacking off a 7-figure super affiliate. And that's Zach there. So I can't tell you enough about him, how he's changed my online business, how I've increased in my earnings per month, how my mindset's changed, how the strategies he's taught me is just skyrocketed and fast tracked my business is an understatement. And so, guys, if you're looking for someone that gives you everything laid out, simply laid out, on top of that, Zach, you join the private group inside where Zach hosts a Facebook group. It's only for those that join the mentoring program. And inside there, we learn off one another, and Zach does weekly live calls. You go on there, ask questions. You can contact Zach through there and say, hey, I'm stuck here, Zach. I need some help with this. What do you think? And bang, guys, I haven't had to wait any more than 20 or 30 minutes, and Zach gets back to me. And I'm in Australia. I'm on the other side of the world. And Zach seems to be able to get back to me, him personally, not one of his assistants, not so-and-so that you never signed up. You get Zach, and you'll be able to chat with him and talk with him about any issues that you might have. But everything in here is laid out. How to scale to a 6-figure business for advanced. 10 times your sales with bonuses, affiliate product launch, Facebook ads mastery. Zach teaches you how to make the most of the Facebook. He teaches you how to make the most of YouTube marketing. He teaches you all the ins and outs, and you're able to model and literally copy some of his stuff he gives you all ready to go. Look here, down here, marketing swipe files and funnel bonuses. So if I go into here, I think it's in this section. I could be wrong. It might be down here a little bit, advanced, and yeah, done for you social media posts. Okay, so I can just come in here and let me move this for a second. Click here, and straight away I get access to the very same posts that Zach has used to make money. Call to action posts, old posts. So if we have a look at some of the old posts he's used, I can post these on my Facebook group. I can use these. That gives me permission to use these. He's made serious money from all these stuff. You can model this, literally copy it, but the suggestion is just to model with it. This is something I see every day. There's a massive difference in learning and doing. I see people attend every webinar. You can grab this and put your own little quirk on it, but just change a few things and dive into that and go on and follow what Zach teaches and post that into a Facebook group. And people respond and want to know learn more about your business. So he gives you all these. He gives you email swipes. Guys, this guy just over delivers. And the best thing I love about it with his training and mentorship is he lets you do what you want to do. If you don't want to follow exactly what he says, he highly recommends it. He lets you promote any other product. A lot of other affiliate mentoring programs out there, they just be wary before you join. They want you to promote their product and nothing else. So it's not until you get inside that you find out about that. and I nearly got involved with another one and someone else just basically warned me of that, and I thought, no, I want that flexibility in my online business. I want to be able to promote other products that I truly believe in. So Zach is not worried about that. He'll help you. He wants you to succeed in affiliate marketing. But yes, you are eligible to promote his training as well, because he'll set you up with all this. This is all done for you off the bat when you join. You get a website like this with your photo, and it goes to your autoresponder. And Zach puts in the follow-up emails that he personally wrote where that's made him money. So guys, if you're looking for someone that has done it, gone there, and is still scaling his business up, then I highly suggest you click on the link in the description, go to this page, grab the free training so you can actually go through the free training process. There's a few days there, and get a feel for the sales funnel yourself. Get a feel for Zach. He does some training in there, and that way you'll be able to know if you can resonate with him. It's just a no BS approach. He's down to earth, but he gives you some real gems and pearls, and really wants you to succeed. That's a good thing I can say about Zach. He genuinely wants you to succeed and outdo him, and that's rare online. I've been around for online for quite some time, off and on over the last 15 years. Rare that someone actually wants you to succeed and outdo them. So go through this training, get in there. You just have to take a look. There's no commitment. It's 100% free, and check out Zach Crawford's mentorship program. You will be blown away. And guys, if you do end up joining on the inside, then not only are you going to have Zach and many others like me that are going to help guide you through the process and get you up and running as quickly as we possibly can, you're going to get all the extra tips and the live tips, and some of the stuff he's updated already from some of the training. You're going to get access to all this training here. So, I just highly suggest, he suggests creating a YouTube channel. You might already have one. Then I highly suggest you get on and get going with it. I just created a new channel literally a week or so ago. I had a few other channels there, but I really wanted to dedicate this another channel for another arm of the affiliate business. And I've got other channels out there that are really doing well since I joined Zach. And I just created this one a couple of weeks ago. And so it's just getting off the ground. And this one's more aimed at the affiliate marketing side of things. But the other channels are aimed at other money-making type of things. So really, really can't say enough, highly enough. I would highly suggest that you check it out, get a feel for it. Find a mentor, folks. If you really want to achieve, you might be able to make a few dollars here and there online, but until you learn off someone that's been there and done it, and you follow and model what they do, that's the only time where you can really, really get the success that you need. And the support that Zach has is incredible. You can contact him anytime through the Facebook group. He'll chat with you. He'll answer your questions. He'll listen to any concerns you've had. Hands down, the best mentor program I've come across. I have joined a couple in the past, but that was a completely different setup and a different business. So for me, being around online for a while, this has got to be number one for me, and the difference it's made in my business. So, and I should be able to show you really quickly. This is maybe a little test account I did with some of Zach's training the other day, and I just quickly set it up because I don't know if you're familiar with ClickBank, but once I got things and funnels set in place, and I applied some of the strategies that Zach has taught me with just general affiliate stuff, so you can go to ClickBank and promote affiliate products. This is just in the last couple of weeks. I think it was around, when was that? The 8th or the 18th. That's when I started with opening up this test account, because I have another account with ClickBank that I've had for quite some time, and so that's been going along nicely, and that's targeting another area. This is just purely open this up to model what I can get results for Zach's program and his strategy, so I can actually track how I'm going. But yeah, just the other day I had a great day, 409, $384. So the earning the money, utilizing these strategies straight off the bat. And this was just a little test, guys. This is just a little test I did literally over the last month, I would say, over the last few weeks, a month. I just put a little test. I built a funnel the way Zach said to build it. I pretty much copied, and I got these results, come in. And it was just amazing. And obviously, there's a lot more money to be made. I just wanted to show you just some of the success that I'm having, and there's a whole lot more as well. But Zach will go through the training with you and let you know that there's other people inside. He'll show proof, like myself and others inside, that are making close to seven figures and six figures as well with Zach, since they've been with Zach for a year or two. So, guys, this is not going to make you rich overnight, but it's certainly going to put you on the right track. So, if you're looking for an affiliate marketing mentoring program, I highly recommend it. If you like what I've shared today, at least, and you don't want to join with this program, that's fine. Please just like, subscribe, comment, and say, "Hey Ben, I really loved your video. What's your what? Can you help me out with X, Y, and Z?" And I'm happy to reach out to you in the comment section and help you out with something you're struggling with at the moment. But yeah, go to the link below if you feel that you want to try it out. Give it a go with the free training. You got nothing to lose. See if you resonate with Zach, and I'd love to see you on the other side inside this program, having success, tracking along, and making money. Thanks, guys, and you enjoy the rest of your day.